In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Wells Fargo recurring bill pay. Whether you've decided to manage your finances differently or simply no longer need a particular service or subscription, stopping automatic payments can be a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand each part clearly. To begin, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. Once you've launched the app, log in using your username and password. It's important to ensure that you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. So take a moment to verify your entry if needed. Once you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the menu. You might find this in the form of an icon labeled More, which typically houses additional options and settings within the app. From this menu, navigate to Account Services, or in some cases, it may be labeled as Payments. This section is where you can manage your payment settings, including the ability to stop recurring payments. Next, tap on Stop Future Payments or look for the section labeled Automatic/Recurring Payments. This feature is designed specifically to give you control over any automatic billing arrangements you have set up through the bank. After tapping on this option, you should see a list of all your recurring payments. Identify and select the specific payment you wish to cancel. Make sure you choose the correct one, as cancellations can often be final or may take some time to reverse. Once you've selected the desired payment, look for an option clearly marked as Cancel or Stop and tap on it. This will initiate the cancellation process for the recurring payment you had previously set up. To complete the process, a confirmation window may appear asking you to verify that you want to proceed with canceling the payment. Confirm your choice, and the system will process your request. Now, it's always a good practice to double check the outcome of your actions. You can do this by reviewing your activity or payment history within the app. This step is crucial to ensure that the payment cancellation was successful and there are no pending transactions scheduled for the future. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your finances by canceling a recurring bill pay through Wells Fargo. Remember, staying on top of your billing arrangements helps maintain financial health and avoid any unexpected charges. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on financial management.